For today, we are going to unbox the packages that we received from Shopee and from TikTok shops. Woo! Okay, so let's begin with the bigger one. Oh, wait. Saan ba tayo magsisimula? We will begin with the smallest. This one, the heavier. And this one, lighter. And this one is the lightest, big but lightest. So which one is that? I'm so excited. I think let's start with this one. First, look at this. Since Halloween, guys, we decided to purchase tattoos. Like this one, so nasty to look at, but I don't know. It's like bruises or ano to? What is that? Zombie tattoos. Okay. Oh, this one. This is the Lying Silkworm pen. Usually ginagamit ng mga cosplayers. And also, we have the fake blood. Pag wala na kami maisip na costume, within 3 days, kasi 3 days yung celebration ng Halloween namin, so we have decided to buy fake blood. It's easy. Kasi ganyan. Okay, ako na si Zoe. Diba? And also, we bought lipsticks. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ano ang laman nito. One by one. Ang color na ito ay talaga namang hindi siya pang araw-araw. Ewan ko lang, araw-araw. Ay! Katanga! So, first one, ipakita ko sa inyo. Ang ating pink. Ito pwede pa siguro to pang daily. Pero ewan ko lang kung ipang daily nyo rin tong green. Let me swatch this one. Let's begin with the pink. Kasi naisip namin na ano nga ba yung movie na yun? Ariana Grande. The Wicked. Okay. So, ito si Ariana Grande, the pink one kasi. Yan. Maganda. Ganda ba? Yeah, maganda. Okay. How about the green one? Swatch natin si green. Oh, talaga naman. Color na color siya.
So nice.
See? So, yan. Itong si pink is for Ariana Grande effect. Charot. Tapos ito naman sino nga ba? Ito sa The Wicked Witch. Alpha ba? Okay. So, yun. Yun lang for the smallest package na binili namin. And this was super mura. How much was it? 200 something. Super mura na ito. For 200 something ba ito? No, 400. 400. Ito nga pala. Try natin to. See? Goldie. Wow! Ganda ng ano niya. Wait lang. O, tingnan nyo. Swatch ko din siya. Pakita ko. Look at that. Look at that. You see? Ito nag-shimmer siya. Oh, legit. Legit siya, pre. Legit siya, dai. Look at that. Shade of gold. Gold ito. Meron siyang 3 choices. Silver, pink, and gold. So we chose to buy the gold one. Wow! Ayan. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Part 1 pa lang to. Watch out for the part 2. Bye!